In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create meal plans for your clients. You can create a meal plan 3 different ways. First, you can create a meal plan using our Automator tool. The Automator allows you to generate a personalized smart plan with just a few simple steps. To start, click on the Planner tab along the top and select New. From here, click Automator. Under the Details tab, enter a title. Select the number of days you'd like your meal plan to be and the number of meals you'd like your meal plan to have. For example, if you don't want your meal plan to have a third snack option, click the X next to Snack 3. Then click Continue. From here, you will be brought to the Rules tab. If you are meal planning with a caloric and macro goal, you can enter those here. Otherwise, leave them blank. Enter any tags you'd like your meal plan to include. You can click into the tags box and scroll through to see the tags available to you. Enter any ingredients you need to exclude in your client's meal plan. In this example, we'll create a meal plan with a daily caloric goal of 2,000 calories and a 50-30-20 macro breakout. Once you're done, click Create Plan, and a personalized smart plan will be generated for you, complete with a grocery list, which you can find under the List tab. Now that your plan is complete, you can share it as is, or you can make modifications by swapping, adding, or removing recipes. To swap a recipe, click the icon with the 3 dots and select Swap. Swap provides you with an alternative meal. We will do our best to provide a recipe with a similar meal type and similar macronutrient profile so that swap does not upset the balance of the plan. To remove a recipe, click the icon with the 3 dots and select Remove from Plan. You can also remove a recipe from multiple days by selecting the recipe photo and deselecting the days of the week. To add a recipe, click in the Open Meal slot and use the search box to find a recipe. You can also click in the Recipes tab and use the filters to find a recipe. Be sure to apply the same rules you applied before running Automator, if you applied any, so the recipes shown match your SMART rules. You can also add a side dish to any meal on the plan. To do this, click on the recipe, select Side, and then choose your dish. If you'd like to make a copy of the meal plan, use the Copy button. The second way to create a meal plan is by creating a blank plan and using the Recipes tab or the Planner to fill each new meal slot. From your planner, select New, and then select Blank. Add a plan title, and select Rules. Apply any tags or ingredient exclusions. In this example, we'll create a meal plan that is autoimmune paleo and also excludes kiwis. Once everything has been entered, click Create Plan. Your meal plan will automatically save and can be accessed at any time under the Recents button. Now you're ready to add recipes. Click into any open meal slot and choose from any recipe. You can find the recipes you need by searching for a recipe name. For example, let's say I want to add a salad to dinner here. I can search salad and see a selection of autoimmune paleo salads that populate. Select the recipe you'd like to add. Be sure to adjust the number of servings as needed and select the days you'd like to add it to. Then select Add. Your recipe will be added to the days you selected. Be sure to mark any of the days as leftovers by clicking on the icon with the 3 dots and selecting Toggle as a leftover. This ensures your clients can cook once and enjoy the meal multiple times while shopping for the proper amount of ingredients. You can also drag and drop any meal into another open meal slot. So, if you'd like dinner leftovers to be enjoyed for lunch, click the photo and drag it into an open meal slot. Repeat the process of adding meals until your planner is complete. If you'd like to search for recipes with more robust filters, you can use the filters located on the Recipes tab and add recipes to your blank meal plan that way. Ensure you are using the same tags and exclusions previously set in your SMART rules. For this example, we'll apply our autoimmune tag and exclude kiwi as we did earlier. But now we can look for snack recipes that take no more than 15 minutes and have no more than 20 milligrams of sodium per serving. To add any recipe from the gallery to your meal plan, click on the icon with the 3 dots and select Add to Plan. Choose the correct meal plan, the meal, adjust the number of servings if needed, and select the days you would like to add it to. Then click Add Recipe. You can also add any recipe to your plan from within the recipe card. Click on the recipe photo to be taken to the recipe card. From here, click Add. Choose the correct plan and meal. Select the days you'd like to add it to, and click on Add Recipe. Lastly, you can meal plan using any one of our pre-made programs. Click on Programs along the top and find the program you're looking for using filters. Select the plan you'd like to use and click the Preview button to view the meal plan. You can use this program as is, or you can modify as needed. To make changes to the plan, you'll first need to make a copy of it. To do this, click the Copy button. From here, you can rename the plan and scale it for up to 4 people if needed. Next, click the Copy Plan button. Now that your program is copied, you can make changes in the planner the same way you would with any other meal plan. Use the swap, remove, and add functions as earlier demonstrated until your meal plan is ready. No matter what way you have chosen to build out your meal plan, you can share it with your clients one of 2 ways. The first is by clicking the Share button and copying the shared link. Be sure to turn on any additional permissions as needed. Send the link to your client via email or your practice management software. Second, you can export the meal plan as a PDF document. Click the icon with the 3 dots and select Export Plan. Choose if you'd like to include the meal plan, list, notes, and nutrition. Select a cover page and enter any personal notes into your brief. Then select Start Export. You can send the PDF to your client in an email or using your practice management software. And that's how easy it is to create meal plans for your clients.